growers. This is Judah Blue and Mac coming here live from Kentucky. Today we're going to be talking about one of the sneakiest things in your garden, tomato blight. It'll sneak up on you faster than a rabbit in a lettuce patch. So grab your gloves and let's grow! So before we get to the ugly stuff, we're going to look at the beauties. We got such good, great tomatoes right here. Look how strong these stems are right here. And, I mean, it has so much airflow in between them. It's great. It's the best thing in the world. But if you ain't careful, one little spot like this right here will turn into tomato blight. Dun, dun, dun! There's two different types of blight. There's early blight and late blight. Early blight is these little tiny brown spots with yellow halos around them. Late blight is even worse. It's dark, greasy spots that eat up your leaves, stem, and even your tomatoes. If you see leaves like this, get them off the plant and throw them off the garden. Blight spreads quick. Now show them how it's done, brother. I'm going to remove this from the garden entirely. And this is just as important. I'm going to spray the cutters with alcohol. That way I don't spread the disease to other plants. Clean tools, clean plants, happy garden. One of the biggest causes for tomato blight is water splashing up to the bottom leaves. So one of the things that you can do is cut off one of the lower branches as it grows. The mulch makes sure that the dirt doesn't splash up and get up on the plant to prevent blight. The reason why we have blight is because we didn't have mulch around here until recently. We just did a whole video on the benefits of mulch. Go check it out. When they're all bunched together, the disease can spread quickly. But when they're all spread apart, then it has more air for them to breathe in. And for the love of tomatoes, do not spray the leaves. If you spray the leaves, it can really cause diseases, and you need to keep it at the roots to keep it safe, and make sure you just never spray the leaves. Wet leaves equal big trouble. Healthy tomato plant makes a happy gardener. So remember y'all, stay sharp, keep your garden clean, and don't let the blight keep you off guard. That's today's videos, folks. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some out of it. Remember, hit the bell, like, and subscribe. Garden Brothers out!